guys, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, and I got a package in the mail today, guys. And if you're interested to see what's in this package, stick around. Okay, guys, this package came from Willabee and Ward. For those of you who watch my channel know that they have a collection of bracelets that I am trying to complete. It's from January to December, and right now I think this box here should be August bracelet. So here we go. They put this wonderful paper. They have a jewelry care guide that comes with every bracelet. And then here comes the bracelet. Okay guys, here's August bracelet. Now for those of you who don't know, my birthday month is August. Matter of fact, so I'm really pleased with this bracelet. Trying to get all the charms turned so you guys can see them. Because this little one here will cooperate. Okay, I think I got them all turned so you guys. Okay, this bracelet is really pretty, guys. I think it is. Maybe I'm biased, but maybe it'll show up better if I put it on the white box. It's acting like blue on this black. Okay, now we'll start off at the beginning of it. It has this beautiful charm, this teal one. If all you know, I love teal. You have a dolphin, some seashells, another beautiful teal bead. This one says August Adventure. Then we have a starfish. And then next to the starfish we have, if I can get them right, a crab. Then we have another beautiful blue bead. Then we have a turtle. Another, what is this one? Bear with me, guys. It turned over and I needed to turn back. Oh, this is a flip-flop. Okay, we have a turtle. And then there is a flip-flop. You see that? And then we have a beach ball. And we have an anchor. Okay, pretty. An anchor. Another beautiful bead. And what is that? The last one here, I really can't tell what that is. But this is August's bracelet, guys. I really love the colors. I love everything about this bracelet. It says Stephanie in every way. I mean, oh, the colors are beautiful. And with it being summer, I used to always hate my birthday because my birthday always started when school started when I was little. My birthday is August 28th. Virgo, baby. Virgo. So here's my new bracelet for the month of August from Willabee and Ward. So I want to thank you guys for watching. If you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please feel free to click that subscribe button down below. And next to it, you'll see a bell. And that bell will notify you every time I upload a video. Yes, your girl is working on these videos. I am trying to crank them out and improve my videos. I'm working on it, guys. And also, follow me on my social media accounts. They should be on the screen and down below in my bio. And this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching. And you guys be blessed.